Hi everyone, this is Fred from Landscape Plus, and today I'm going to be showing you the new In-LITE nail light fittings. So the In-LITE nail comes in two different sizes. You have 455mm, which is the nail low, and you have the 610mm, which is the standard nail. So as you can see, they're sort of a hooded mushroom light style fitting. So once you plug them into the In-LITE system using your Easy Lock, which is supplied with every fitting, you'll then have light coming from this frosted ring at the top here and downlighting. So they're perfect for use sort of on beds or pathways, anything like that. And they do also come with a stake for putting them into soft ground. So if you wanted to hard mount them, you can also use the In-LITE anchor fitting. So it's a thread that replaces the thread on this stake, and instead you'll be able to screw into concrete, brickwork, wood, anything like that. They're IP65 rated, so they're built for outdoor use, and they have quite a low lumen output, so around 70 lumens, which is perfect for that sort of decorative lighting that's not really that too functional. So thank you for watching this video. If you need any more information about the In-LITE system, or more specifically the In-LITE nail, just get in touch with the team and we'll be happy to help.